UNIX. UNIX stands for Uniplex Information and Computing System. Hello everyone, my name is Sakshi Sethi and I am the student of MCA 6th semester 3rd year. Now I am going to give you all a brief description about Unix. That what is Unix? Unix is an operating system. It supports multitasking and multi-user functionality. The Unix system is functionally organized at three levels. The kernel, which schedules tasks and manages storage. The shell, which connects and interrupts user commands, call programs from the memory and execute them. And the tool and applications that offer additional functionality to the operating system. The developer of Unix is Dennis Ritchie. Now the first question is, there is a profile, no dot in slash etc. When is this file executed? Answer, this file resides in the slash etc with name profile. It contains Linux system wide environment and startup programs. It is used by all users with bash, Corn shell और Bourne shell. That means जो प्रोग्राम फाइल है उसको कोई भी यूजर किसी भी शेल में एक्सेस कर सकते हैं एक्सेप्ट सी शेल. वो सी शेल में यूज नहीं होंगे. It is actually used to set path variables, user limits and other setting for user. It only runs for login shell. If you wanted to make large changes or application specific changes, use /etc/profile.d directly. That means प्रोफाइल वाली फाइल अकेले काम नहीं करती, इसके साथ profile.d नाम की एक और फाइल साथ में काम करती है. In addition to the setting environmental items, the /etc/profile will execute the scripts within /etc/profile./star.sh. Second question, if you have the files.bash /_ and .profile in your home directory, will bash read them both on login? Answer, well, actually bash shell will read only .bash _ profile file. That means जो बेस शेल है वो लॉगिन होने पर .base _ profile वाली फाइल को ही रीड करेगा. Apart from having a home directory to create and store files, user needs an environment that gives them access to the tools and resources. When a user logs into a system, the user's work environment is determined by the initialization files. These initialization files are defined by the user startup shell, which can vary depending on the release. The default initialization files in your home directory enable you to customize your working environment. The ~/.bash _ profile file is a configuration file for configuring user environments. That means जो .bash profile उसके अंदर सारी configuration mention होती है जो एक particular user के environment को belong करती है. The users can modify the default setting and add any extra configurations on it. Next question, a shell script also runs the login file, true or false? No, this is false because the script runs only the RC files. Means shell script जो है सिर्फ RC files मतलब run commands फाइल को ही run करती है. It is used for any file that contains startup information for a command. It is believed to have originated sometime in 1965 at a Runcom facility from the MIT Compatible Time Sharing System. That means ऐसा माना जाता है कि Runcom facility का invention 1965 के आसपास ही हुआ था. Next, there was a facility that would execute a bunch of commands stored in a file. It was called Runcom for run commands and the file began to be called a Runcom. RC in Unix is a fossil from that usage. Tom Van Vleck, a Multics engineer, has reminisced about the extensions RC. The idea of having the command processing shell be an ordinary slave program came from the Multics design and a predecessor program on CTSS by Louis Poisson is called Runcom. The source of the RC suffix on some Question number 4. Which important file attribute is not maintained in the inode? Where is it stored? Answer. The file name which is stored in directory. That means file name वो attribute होता है जो inode number store नहीं करता but ये attribute directory store करती है. Next. The inode is data structure in a Unix style file system that describes a file system object such as a file or a directory. Each inode stores the attribute and disk block locations of the object's data. File system objects attributes may include metadata, times of last change, access, modification as owner, as and permission data. That means file system object क्या store करता है? Metadata. Metadata क्या हो सकता है? लास्ट बार कब मॉडिफाई किया, कब एक्सेस किया, उसकी क्रिएशन की डेट क्या है? That all comes on metadata. Directions are list of names assigned to inodes. A directory contains an entry for itself, its parents, and each of its children. This is the diagram of Unix inode data structure. Fifth question. What do you mean by saying that a file has 3 links? Answer. The file has a single inode with a link count 3. That means जो फाइल का inode number है उसके अंदर जो links की entry का count है वो 3 है. The file can be accessed by 3 path names. मतलब जो फाइल है वो 3 path names के थ्रू एक्सेस हो सकती है. A link in Unix is a pointer to a file. Like pointers in any programming language, links in Unix are pointers pointing to a file or a directory. Creating links is a kind of shortcuts to access a file. Links allow more than one file name to refer to the same file elsewhere. There are 2 types of links. First is soft link, or we can say that symbolic link, and second is hard link. These links behave differently when the source of the link is moved or removed. Symbolic links are not updated, and hardware links always refer to the source even if moved or removed. Now comes on the topic. My first topic is knowing your terminal TTY. Since Unix treats even terminal as file, it's reasonable to expect a command that tells you the file name of the terminal you are using. That is, Unix terminal को भी फाइल की तरह ट्रीट करता है और हर टर्मिनल का एक नाम असाइन करता है. It's the TTY teletype command, an obvious reference to the device that has now become obsolete. That means अगर हमको टर्मिनल का नाम पता करना है तो TTY कमांड यूज कर सकते हैं. The command is simple and need no argument, just type TTY and hit enter. That means this command is very simple और इसमें कोई आर्गुमेंट की जरूरत नहीं होती, सिर्फ हमें TTY टाइप करना है और एंटर करना है. We can use shell script to control the behavior of the script depending on the terminal invoking it. That means अगर हमने shell script लिखी है तो हम उसका behavior control कर सकते हैं on the basis of कौन सा terminal उस script को run कर रहा है. If a program must run only one specified terminal, the script logic must use TTY to make this command. Now my second topic is displaying and setting terminal characteristics, that is STTY. Different terminals have different characteristics and your terminal may not behave in the way you expect. मतलब हर टर्मिनल की अलग अलग कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स होती है और वो टर्मिनल उस हिसाब से बिहेव नहीं करता जैसा आप उसे करवाना चाहते हैं. सेकेंड, दिस प्रॉब्लम कैन बी हैंडल्ड बाय द STTY कमांड. मतलब ये जो प्रॉब्लम है इसको हम STTY कमांड से हैंडल कर सकते हैं. The STTY command helps straighten the abnormal behavior of the terminal. Means terminal के abnormal behavior को सही करने में STTY command help करती है. STTY uses a very large number of keywords. मतलब STTY बहुत ज़्यादा keywords और options use करती है. For instance, मतलब for example, STTY A command जो होती है वो हमें current settings को show करवाती है. STTY G ये हमें print करवाती है current settings से. STTY-F. This option will open and use a specified device instead of STDN. stdy help. This option will display this help and exit. stdy version. This option will show the version information and exit. Thank you. Please do like, subscribe, share and comment on my video.